Hi guys, welcome back to my crochet tutorial videos. Okay, if you watch my tutorial video previously, we crochet slip knot, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and now we will learn how to double crochet. Okay, so first step is start with 20 stitches, 20 chain stitches. Make sure you have 20 chain stitches. After that, yarn over, then insert the hook into the fourth chain from the hook. Okay, so we will count backward. Make sure you have 20 chain stitches, then yarn over, then count backward. Count for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then insert the hooks sa fourth chain from the hook. Then yarn over. Yarn over, insert the hook. Sorry. Yarn over, insert the hook into the fourth chain from the hook. Okay? Yarn over, insert the hook. After that, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops. After that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Only 2 loops ha. First and second loop. Okay. After that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now you created a double crochet. So we will repeat the process. Yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, first front stitch, then yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops. So next is yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So first, second, one, count 1, 2, 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now we have two double crochet. So we will just repeat the process until we make first row of double crochet. Okay, just yarn over, insert the hook into the front stitch, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the loop through the loops, both loops. So we have 3 double crochet. So we just repeat the process until we crochet first row of double crochet. Repeat the process, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through loops. Yan, we have 5 double crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through. We have yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we have another double crochet. Repeat the process. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so I created many double crochet. So we will just finish the last 3 rows, last 3 front stitches. sa ating first row. You just yarn over, insert the hook into the front stitch or front loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we completed the first row of double crochet. You just try it at home, make a double crochet. Congratulations, you have learned how to make a double crochet. Okay, tip. So this stitch makes your project grow faster. If you want to make your project grow faster, if you want to finish a simple project in a fast fast, you can use double crochet. Okay, or you can finish an output or project faster if you use double crochet. Okay, thank you for watching my video. In my next video, we will learn how to make a treble crochet. Thank you guys for watching.